select the license for ANSYS Fluent software. Here you can see in the workbench, if you see like that, this type of module, you see that the Fluent static structure, these are not available because the license management center has been stopped. So to enable that, we first have to close this workbench. Then we have to search here the ANSYS License Management Center. We click on this yes. Then it will open like that, and a message like this will appear. The license manager is stopped. So you just have to click on this start. It will start the license manager, and then you can close this. Then open the workbench from the search bar. It will take some time, but eventually when it will open, you'll find that all the previously blocked module has been reappeared, and the license management system issues has been solved successfully. Here you can see the analysis system, component system, and custom system. All of the system has been reappeared, and you can work this very easily from now. Thank you. Thank you for your time.